Thinking about buying a brand new home in the Boise area? Whether you want a custom build or a move in ready new construction, I've got you covered. Hi, I'm Delaney, a local real estate expert specializing in new construction homes across the Treasure Valley. I help buyers just like you navigate the home building process, find the best builder incentives, and secure the perfect home, all without any added stress. Welcome to the Berlin 1678, a brand new home designed by CBH for modern living with style and functionality. As you step inside, you're greeted by open and inviting living space, perfect for gatherings, entertaining, or simply relaxing at home. The spacious great room flows effortlessly into the kitchen, creating a seamless space for everyday life. This kitchen is as stylish as it is functional, featuring stainless steel appliances, sleek, solid surface countertops, and plenty of prep space. Whether you love to cook or just need a beautiful space to start your morning, this kitchen has everything you need. Upstairs, the versatile loft offers endless possibilities: a home office, a reading nook, or even a cozy space for homework and creativity. It's a flexible space that adapts to your needs. Two additional bedrooms provide plenty of space for family, guests, or even a dedicated home office. Your primary suite is a private retreat complete with a walk in closet, an ensuite bathroom designed for relaxation. With thoughtful design, modern finishes, and flexible living spaces, the Berlin 1678 is ready to be your new home. If you're thinking of buying, building, or investing in new construction, hit that subscribe button and check out the link in the description to get all the latest updates sent straight to your inbox.